how to save Instagram videos. Now, in order for us to save the Instagram videos or reels on Instagram, all we have to do is to go to our reel right here. And in order for us to save it, we just have to tap on this airplane button right here and then scroll right here. And you will be able to download this to our camera roll. So it can pretty much be applied to every reel that you encounter on this page. Now let's say you want to save your own Instagram reel or Instagram video on your profile. All you have to do is to go to your profile and go to the reel section of your profile, which is right here. Now you just have to tap on the reel that you have and click on the airplane button right here. Pretty much doing the same thing, and scroll right here and tap on download. So that's how to save Instagram videos. Hope we help.